This is the True Sea Moss Gel Superfood Orange. The first hit I got was total citrus and orange, but then I immediately got a little bit of the sea moss. This is another one where the sea moss is the second ingredient right after water. And then we have orange puree, rowan berry extract, monk fruit juice concentrate, vanilla extract, and ascorbic acid. And it's good. It's giving like those dreamsicle popsicles, you know, like the kind of creamy orange. Maybe that's the vanilla extract hitting the orange flavor. It's good. I'm not really getting the sea moss flavor, which I thought I would, because the ones I've tried that had the sea moss right after water as the ingredients, those are more sea mossy. But no, it's good. I like it. I like it. 2 tablespoons per serving, 15 servings per jar, 20 calories per serving. No fat, 8 milligrams of sodium. This one has 4 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, no sugar, no protein, and then you've got the iron, potassium, iodine, magnesium. No heavy metals, certified vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO verified, made in the USA.